You search for how to buy shares of Adial Pharmaceuticals Inc. Adial is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ADIL. And this video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. We will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ADIL to locate the company. Select the result that clearly matches Adial Pharmaceuticals Inc. on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm that the page displays Adial Pharmaceuticals Inc. and the ADIL ticker before proceeding. Press Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order executes, you will see the position in your portfolio. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.